Hey, it's Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. I basically went to Sally Beauty and then eventually the Family Dollar. I got some new hair care. I've just been using the same products for the last like almost year now, and so I was kind of itching for something else. So I decided to go to Sally Beauty. There's the line, the Curl Essence Keracare line. I've been dying to try it since it came out because it was so affordable and I saw good results. I pretty much went around the store and like, I don't know if it's just because I'm vegan, but now when I go to certain stores, I just kind of like to go down every single aisle because I just want to like read everything and see, you know, what's cruelty free, what's not, just to see where people are at and where these brands are at. I have something that I'm missing, I just want to add it in. So I started off by getting the conditioner. So this is the Curl Essence Moisturizing Conditioner, which you make in black castor oil and coconut oil. This brand is cruelty free. I looked on their website and I checked. They don't have a logo on here, but it says it on their website. So I love how their bottles look and their whole line in general. It's just really, really sleek and pretty. I think this was $6.59. So again, $6. Like, that's great. The most important thing I look for in a conditioner is that it's got slip to it. So this is kind of actually runny and sticky. Interesting. I don't know if you guys can see that. I couldn't decide if I wanted the curl activator or if I wanted this, the moisturizing curl cream. I ended up going with this one because it seemed to fall in line with the jelly, which I got that one as well. I'm gonna use these together after I wash and condition and all that good stuff and deep condition. This one, there was a buy one get one 50% off. So one of these was like 6 something and then ended up being 3 something for the other one, which is great. I'll show you what it looks like. It doesn't actually feel as tacky as the conditioner, surprisingly, but it smells really good. And then, oh, actually this one, so these do have the cruelty-free bunny on it. So this one does. It's like some of them have it, some of them don't. So I don't know, their labels are funny. I can't imagine you'd have one that's like, oh, this specific product is cruelty-free, but not the other one. I don't think it's like that. So here we go. This is the curling cream and the consistency is thicker. Has that tacky vibe, as you can see as well. So we will see. Because I'm running out of my Camille Rose, I was looking for a deep conditioner that was affordable, cruelty-free at minimum. This one is from Eden Body Works, which I think people sleep on a lot. I remember hearing that. I don't think I've tried their products before, but I've heard about them for years. It's cruelty-free. Let's see, so this is the deep conditioner, the Jojoba Manoi. Feels nice and thick. It's not tacky. It smells like sunscreen actually, which I happen to really enjoy, but that's interesting. I wonder what in the ingredients makes it seem that way. Anyway, this was $7.99. Good thing on my way out I checked my receipt because it charged $9.39, and so I was like, ooh, hi, you just rung me up a little bit incorrectly. I'm not really sure why. And she gave me the refund. It was only like $2, but you know what? I count my coins. I do. I count my coins. So I wanted to make sure that I was getting my products at the right price. So I went back in and exchanged that, and now I have this one. Now that's all I got from there, but I went right next door to the Family Dollar because I was curious, and again walked up those aisles to see what they had. And I laughed because I went in and they have a natural hair care section, and so the Shea Moisture products and I think it was Main Choice, the products were like discounted. I've always been hearing about Eco Styler Gel. It's the bomb, it's amazing, it's whatever, you gotta try it. The argan oil one. I can't do the flaxseed one because flaxseeds break out my skin, so I don't even want to mess with them for my hair. You've seen my acne skincare videos, you know we went through a whole thing until I realized that flax seeds that were causing my breakouts. This is a 16 ounce. I got this for $3.50. $3.50 for this. This is the argan oil one, styling gel. So I'm gonna try this out whenever I come back on here. Next up, you'll see me speaking about my first impressions on it. Okay guys, so it is the next day and I just took those twists out, and holy moly, this is like, to me, a phenomenal twist out. Like, I did the 3-strand twist. It is so, I'll zoom in eventually, but it is so pillow soft and moisturized. Like, those products sold. Like, that was easy. They sold me. The one thing I will say is that I have an audition today. I have zero faith that these curls will last. Now here's the difference between the wrap and roll and this. My hair feels really, really, really soft. There's no crunch at all. With the wrap and roll, my hair definitely felt more contained because it's like a stronghold. The curling jelly, whatever, the curling jelly for this, like this is too soft. Like there's no way. Like, I'm gonna try my best because I actually need my hair to look basically like this again tomorrow. But like I said, I have an audition later today and I'm gonna probably wear it back or something. But I have zero faith that this will last, unfortunately. I'll do some final thoughts later on, but the conditioner was like good. It could have been better though. Like I want massive slip, and then I haven't really had that since the Diva Curl products. So other than that, every conditioner has not really provided me with that like extreme slip. This one was like good, but when I washed it out, I still felt like, you know, I was combing with a little bit of like, it wasn't as smooth as it could be. Still good, I'm gonna keep using it. It wasn't horrendous like the Main Choice one, but yeah, I'll just show you guys around how my hair looks. Excuse my like sweaty gross face. I just came from some auditions, but I wanted to show you guys what I mean when I say like my hair won't last or whatever. So this is what I ended up having to do with my hair for my final audition, because my hair was a wreck during the morning. So like I had said, I was like, I have zero faith that this gel, unfortunately from Curl Essence, will have a strong enough hold to last through all the sweating and stuff. And sure enough, this is what we look like now. Look at all these different, lengths. Oh my God. This looks so weird. But yeah, so this is where I ended up while the auditioning was happening, while the dance audition was going on. Like, it was so hot. As you can see, all the definition is gone, like gone, 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 gone. So this is what I mean where I say like it's frustrating to, you know, do my hair so frequently and not have a really, really strong gel to hold it, because I need to dance with my hair if I'm gonna have my hair out. So while it does feel incredibly moisturized, I love it. I love how moisturized it still feels after dancing and all that. This looks like chaos. So I just wanted to come back on real quick and do my final thoughts on this bad boy. So as I was saying before, I think I was like, oh, you know, it's nice for soft curls and stuff like that. I really realized the difference. I've tried this jelly many different ways, and I would say, again, it's just best if you want a soft curl or a soft hold. I ended up doing another 3-strand twist out with my hair, and I did the moisturizing cream, or I did the cream from this line, and I did the wrap and roll, and it held really well. So I would say that this is good if you just want like a light hold, you don't want that crunchy feel, anything like that. For me, I prefer something a little thicker, so if I'm using this again, I'm probably gonna add that another final step of a harder gel or something. Maybe the wrap and roll mousse I would try from Jane Carter Solutions, but I did another twist out using the cream, and then I used this Eco Styler gel, and that's actually this one that I have right now. I don't know if you can really see, but it's lasted multiple days, and it's going to last. I can feel it. So this one is much thicker and just holds the curls a little bit more. So from the products that I tried there, I would say the best one is the curling cream. I've actually used it a good amount of time since, so it smells so good. This is the bomb. It gives me moisturization. Let me know down below if you have tried these products, what you think. I do recommend them. They are affordable. Just depends on what you're using them for. But if you're gonna try anything from the line, I highly recommend this moisturizing curling cream. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.